making one of my favorites, a saffron and squash risotto. Let's get started. While that's warming up, we're going to start with our beurre noisette. Be sure to season it and infuse it with the sage. Today I'm going to be using chicken broth and infusing it with my saffron. We're going to use the top half for the garnish and the bottom half for the puree. Now to start our risotto, we're going to be using Arborio rice. For this, please don't use Uncle Ben's or minute rice. This is high quality stuff. Be sure to mince your onions smaller than the grains of rice. After sweating the onions, we're going to lightly toast the rice. Once the rice is cooked, we're going to add in our puree, our butter, and our cheese. Turn off the heat and start mixing it together until it emulsifies. And there you have it, my new fall favorite done my way, the saffron risotto with butternut squash. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe to see more episodes, and see you next time. Bon appétit.